Hi, it's Kurt with A&A Plumbing, and I'm here to talk to you today about garbage disposers. Sometimes you may hear a noise like this. You can take just a simple Allen wrench, and underneath you can, there's a place you can insert this and actually free up your garbage disposer. So I'm going to show you that right now. Here. Just go ahead and spin it around a couple times until it feels like it's pretty easy to turn. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and turn on some water first here. And then flip it. Okay, and that about does it. If you have any questions about plumbing or anything else, give A&A Plumbing a call.